Hello, I'm Sandra Medina. I'm from Colombia. I am the CTO of Wayakit.
Hi, I'm Luisa from Mexico. I am the CEO of Wayakit and we are based in Saudi Arabia.
If you remember last time you were packing for your trip, how much clothes did you pack in your luggage? Well, I bet you didn't wear everything, right? This is because travelers, we overpack because we want to be ready for any case of emergency and we cannot hang around with a washing machine, right? Until now, let me introduce you to Wayakit. This simple spray in 20 milliliters. You're able to have all the power of your laundry machine in this spray. You remove smells and stains in just 5 minutes. Compared to our competitors, such as expensive laundry systems in the hotels or even stain removers, Wayakit is skin friendly, environmental friendly, and you can forget about expensive bills at the hotels because of laundry.
Hundreds of travelers are already using Wayakit throughout the world. They pay $10 per spray thanks to our Indiegogo campaign that we ran last year. We want to be where our travelers are. Where is this? In hotels and restaurants. We created Wayakit Marketing, where companies can advertise themselves and also increase the customer service. Currently, we're distributing Wayakit in Mexico, Colombia, and Saudi Arabia through our online platforms. And what are our next steps? We want to partner with you or looking for distributors to help us spread the laundry in your pocket to travelers all around the world.